Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Moto G17 Power, and let me share with you how to check the serial number of this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And here we have to scroll all the way down to find About Phone. So first of all, I'll show you how to check it using regular settings, and after that, I'll show you much faster access. So tap on About Phone, and then scroll and go to device details, and tap on model, which is at the very top. And as you can see right here, we've got the serial number of this device. And the second way is to tap on the dialer, and here enter a special code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom, we've got the serial number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.